Yeah, I'm back, y'all. I done caught up on a little catfish. Now, this is what I signed on for. That's why I said I'm probably gonna try to go back home. But as you can see, I done got caught up on a decent little cat. I'll try to bring him out the camera range. Yeah, little catfish. Yeah, that's why I don't like to fish when it's like this. Cause this the most you're gonna probably catch. Old catfish. I really didn't want to start this, but I mean, you got to do what you do when you're fishing, so. Yeah, y'all see it. Boy, I hate to mess with these catfish, but I mean, it's fish. But like I said, I don't really eat catfish. But I guess I'll fish it. That's all right now. I'll catch a few cats. We got a few my camera work. Like I said, I'm by myself here, and just came down here to see what's going on. And first thing you catch, old channel cat. Old channel cat. Yeah, that's why I said I don't really fish for catfish, but I guess this is all I can get. I'll probably catch 1 or 2 catfish and go home and probably give them to some older people I know. So this is what I seen when I was being very observant here. That's why I was saying you can't be too careful when you're fishing. I don't know if you can see that. That's a hornet's nest right inside this bush here. And I think I'm gonna move, because if I ever hit that, I might have to hit the water, because those are nice. I don't know if you can see it, but I try to get a little tighter shot. Nice little hornet nest right there. I'm gonna back off a little when I put this fish up. I know to be careful, but got a little something for you here. So today is gonna be like a catfish day. I don't even know if I could really find the brim. Like I said, the water is so far out. I think this is gonna be a catfish day, so I'll do a little catfishing and call it quits after that. But on cat, he ain't that bad, you know. Old channel. Yeah, that's good eating size though. Well, first one on the boat. And we what? Back to what? Bulldogging. Yes, sir. That made it happen a little, but it is what it is. Catfish day, it is what it is, but I hate to mess with these cats, but I'm gonna get back with y'all. Catch maybe 1 or 2 little cats. If all this I'll catch, I'll just go on home from here. Man, I love this. I just want to come out here and hear those sounds, you know, the Acacia bugs. Man, that beautiful running water. This is my real therapy right here, really. I come to kind of unwind and listen to those nature sounds. I mean, how God made this Arcadian music for you to just soothe your all your anxieties and stuff and working all day. Man, this is what I live for right here, fishing on the weekend. But I thought I was gonna be able to get back in the woods pretty good, but as you can see, farther than the eye can see, just water, water, water. So I'm trapped on this little island with my hornet nest in the bush right there. And I'm gonna have to be real still, not to get stung, but when I catch another one, I'll come back and show y'all a little more footage. But still, baby, we bulldogging.